single, Baby album's the best. That's my hit single. And as you might as well know, I am a lot bigger and I look a lot different than the chipmunk. But at least I still have my voice. My beautiful voice. Goodbye to all you losers out there.
Hi, my name is Periwinkle, the brother of Periwinkle. Even though we have the same names, we are twins. Fraternal twins. My mom just, named us the same thing because she's in a mental house. That's why my brother is evil. He killed people, kids, hate them, But I don't do that. I never would have done that at all. Even though I sound like him. But worse, even though I sound like a monster, I am a nice clown. So do you want to play with me? Well, do ya? Huh? Well, do ya? Well, do ya? Well, do ya? I am the clown. Please visit my website. YouWannaDie.com. But it's not really like that. It's not really cool. So, do you want to die by my brother?